Welcome to Battery Guys with a Z. Today we are installing a 2010 Hyundai Sonata battery. Today is our master installer. Matt is up for the task to installing this battery. What we're doing first, we got a Phillips head screwdriver that we are simply just taking off these 3 factory screws, which is bolts down part of the airflow of this car. So we're going to have to take this off first to be able to get to the battery. And it's like 3 simple bolts that you have to use. You can use a Phillips screw how to kind of slightly just lift up on the screw, and just use a Phillips head screwdriver just to center clockwise to take off this part of this airflow to this car. Okay, we got that off. Now we're able to get to the battery. You would need a 12 or 13 millimeter socket to take off the battery bracket for this car. For this car here, it was using a 12. Sometimes it's a 13, but this mirror has a 12. So we're using our long extension to take off the battery bracket for this car, which is located in the center of the battery box itself. And this is your first time visiting our channel, please like and subscribe to the channel. Comment, hit the notification bell. What we're doing now, you want to take off the negative terminal first, which is also located known as the ground. Now we're proceeding over to the positive terminal. Turn the center clockwise by using your 10 millimeter wrench, and the positive terminal comes right off easy. It should be easy to lift up this battery now. Now we're inserting the world's best reconditioned battery. If you need a battery in the future, please visit our website, Battery Guys with a Z, and get yourself a earth-friendly battery delivered right to your door. Free delivery, half the cost. Okay, now what we're doing now, we're actually putting the positive terminal back onto this battery, and we're tightening this up by turning clockwise by using our 10 millimeter wrench. Alright, now we're going to install the battery bracket back into the battery box itself and tighten down this battery. We like to get the battery started with our hand, just kind of screw the battery in there. The reason why is because based on our experience by using, the socket and just trying to install it directly, sometimes that bolt pops off and get lost in the engine. So start it off with your finger. Trust me, it'll save you a lot of time and headaches. So we got that installed now. You just tighten it down. Next, we're going to reach over to our negative terminal, which is also notated as the ground. Alright, now you will use your 10 millimeter wrench and tighten up that bolt as well. Alright, Matt is doing a very good job on this car, I may say so myself. Very great professional installer. Okay, now we're basically just going to hook back up part of this airflow of the intake of this vehicle. Just line up your hose, and got 3 bolts, and just basically just screw them back in with your Phillips screwdriver. Again, if this is your first time visiting the channel, we would love for you to subscribe to the channel. We upload daily videos of all makes and models. Not only vehicles, we also doing golf carts and other things as well. So this is going to be a very good, exciting channel. If you have any comments, please leave your comments in the comments below, and we'll definitely get back with your comments as well. Alright, we're almost done with this 2010 Hyundai Sonata battery install, and Matt did a great job today. He should walk this out. Let's walk it out, Matt.